As I said, I'm documenting because I need to get rid of what is causing me angst and hindering my recovery. Even doing this now, I'm beginning to feel that emotion that can just tip me over into whatever, and I can't afford for anything to happen. Tomorrow I have they're coming to change my door, and then Tuesday I have my vaccine, so I have to be very careful. I've only eaten once from morning. My stomach don't feel for anything, but it's something that I'm working on. Hopefully I get my appetite back as soon as I sort my life out. And this is therapy, right? So as you can see, I'm documenting. So there it is. And if you see, as I said, I would register. So this is what I have in the envelope. So for now, I'm not going to throw this out. I'm going to keep some things, yeah, that I might need for later. So this, I'll put this aside for now. And as I said, that's when I had to go online to find Ryan Clement has 15 companies registered online. So this is one of them, yeah. So that would have been written in handwriting. So I can chuck that out. Right, carrying on. So this would be the 16. I'm documenting everything. So that was when it was handwritten, as you can see. So I think that can go as well. I think I should read what I've written here. And it says, objections to the defendant's proposal for payment. I do not intend to have any more dealings with the defendant after the way he used the sensitive data to exacerbate my disabilities. His unfair treatment after advising me that I have to work quickly to clear my name led to emotional distress. I have a meeting arranged with the police after he was party to the malicious call to send the police to section me. He made claims I am mentally unstable. Yeah, and those hurt. And that's why I'm feeling the emotional whatever. But I just got to carry on doing what I need to do. What I've written there. Called 3rd of the 6th, 2019 to return form to court for judgment to be handed down. Yeah? And this is, take note that the court has sent the claim form by post and the envelope has returned to the court marked not known at this address given. So this is this strategies they use. And this is going back to the first employment tribunal when Bates, Wells and Brathwaite, when Capsis of Wimbledon said they didn't get documents and then they needed time, and on the day in court they had 3 legal people. I was on my own, and they gave Gwendolyn Abawaji time to recompose. So I'm just showing you what I've been through, yeah? And then it came to the point that Samantha Jones done the same thing, get an adjournment, claiming that she was quarantined to stay at home for 48 hours. That's how they do their thing. Yeah? Right, so this one is, as you can see, I wrote to the claims court. I am always writing. C. Duckworth. I should get some of these names that's on the thingy. Because, yeah, see the back of that there? Amended 28th of the 6th, 2019. As you can see, that was in handwritten. Yeah, I think these are the same. Right. So I come to this one now. And this is the 30th of June, 2020. 2019, and by this time now I use the computer, as you can see there. So I hope, yeah. So these, I'm just capturing whatever I need to capture on whatever. I have to go through these to decide what I'm throwing out. Can't just throw out without going through, because I might need to keep some, because for whatever reason. Right, so this is another one. Recase number whatever. Myers versus Ryan Clement. And the name to take note of is Enrani, because I'm going to do a research after what happened to me at the Walworth police station with Sergeant Patel. And I'm going to see if there's a pattern in whatever happens coming down from the central London, from the county court, small claims court. I'm going to be looking at ethnicity of the people who are involved in whatever they've done to me in the past how many years. So as you can see, I don't have one of anything, all to do with my whatever. So this was when, as you can see, I have to pay money to go online to find Ryan Clement registered down with 15 companies. Yeah? To now, when I reach further there, what they're saying, he's not known at this address or whatever. Yeah? Thank you for using my barrister. So there it is. There's more information. I'm capturing it on whatever, because I used to throw these out, else they might be the death of me if I don't. Yeah? So my life has not been easy the past 7 years. And the legal entities, the judiciary of England and Wales, the small claims court, you name them, they've been party to what has happened to me. And as I've said, it's all discrimination. It's institutional discrimination for all of them to treat a person with disabilities the way they've done, and said I made up disabilities to where I'm not functioning. I am not functioning. I don't know how I'm surviving. Sometimes I eat once per day, not enough substance, but my stomach won't take anything. I don't sleep. Sometimes I'm not even carrying out functions like having a bath, proper bath, taking care of myself. It's all gone out through the window. Who is responsible? And they are talking about getting quickly. When I spoke to the solicitor, I said, how long are they going to take for me to hear from the police? There's no statutory law. But at the same time, they're using their statutory law to find Criminal Damage Act 1971. But my claims, that is now a year in the making, that has been sent to Central London County Court, has not been addressed. And even the claim with Barrister Ryan Clement, that judgment has been passed. I have not received my money. Who is responsible for getting my money to me? And when I said to Judge Parfit at the Central London County Court on the 2nd of September 2020, I said maybe if they give me my money, I can think about paying what you charge me for Samantha Jones. I have no say in the matter. I said, well, I'm not paying. You can send me to jail because I have no money to pay. Unfortunately, they don't have debtors jail anymore. So where do they expect me to get money from? I haven't worked in how many years? Go be a prostitute or something? Is that how I'm going to get it? Or go rob a bank? Or go do something, break the law to get it, to give them to them? And when Samantha Jones is a thief and a liar, or whatever it is, yeah? Let me make sure that this, I don't mislay this, so I need to put it here. So yes, this is, I had to go online to find Ryan Clement with all these companies. Here it is. And I didn't just have to go online like that. I had to pay. Yeah. So these are the companies he has registered down. Yeah. These are the company that Ryan Clement have registered down. There they are. Yeah. These are Ryan Clement's company. And now they're telling me I'm to pay money because he can't be found. And he's still online. These are it. So this is what I wrote. Let me see what's at the top. I'm not going to throw this out neither. This is what I wrote. Here is how they set out to trigger my traumas into post-traumatic stress disorder from after I returned from burying my mother in July 2019. It wasn't 2019, it was 2014. I just have to purchase Endole business information for corporation company search at the earliest there. Browse companies by postcode. Company search. Postcode data limited company profile. Yeah? So this is it. So I'm not chucking that one out. I'm keeping that one. And this is what I wrote at the end. Additional notes. This is how www.gov.uk allow criminals to get away with the terrorism in the UK. I presented evidence to the Guardian to this effect. Now, after leave, discrimination, judicial ombudsman is party to the miscarriages of justice that destroyed my life. Now, money claim UK is just another culprit in the hate crime against Fight for Justice that Google.com is making a voiceless, vulnerable victim. The end. So I need to keep this one because I don't know. If I don't keep these things, I will not be able to prepare when I'm ready because I have so many things on sticks. I don't know. I have so many sticks. I don't know where I'm going to find them. So this one is, take notice the court has sent the judgment by post to whatever and has been returned. So I'm checking that one out. So these are the ones I need to sort out to find out which one I am to keep. So this is when somebody in the court, after returning, this person was actually helping me to fill the form out. Yeah? This person was so sensitive, realizing that every time they returned it. So as you can see, the person's writing, helping me. Yeah? So here it is. So you can see the number matching wherever. That was somebody who was sensitive in the courts helping me. Yeah? So maybe I'll keep that as when I'm writing whatever to say somebody was sensitive towards my needs and trying to help me. The amount of time the document was returned. Yeah? Combined certificate of judgment and request for writ of ferrer or whatever, or writ of possession. Please find and enclose your combined certificates of judgment form N293A, duly signed and seals. Yours sincerely, N. Hamed. I'll be doing a research. Yeah? So I'm looking at the name, N. Hamid. Yeah? So I don't know if I'm supposed to keep this. Is this it? So I won't chuck this out yet until I find out which one it is. The county court. Okay, so I'm not going to chuck this out. There it is. Yeah? So I'm keeping this just in case. I don't want to slip up. Yeah? So this is 11th of July 20. Same thing. No. I've done that already. My mad head. 18th of August 2019. So here it is. It's stamped, so I'm going to keep that as well. See where I'm saying the person was helping me. So I put the wrong date there. The person corrected it. Yeah? So you do find some people in the courts who help you. Not like some of them who who go about whatever. So this is it. I'm not chucking this one out because I might need to keep it. So these are things that I'll hold on to until I get my head around whatever. 19th of August. So this is double, but I'm still not chucking it out. It's the same date. Yeah, so there it is. So I'm keeping these. Right, I'm not chucking that either until I know exactly where I'm standing. Right, so this is this now. Please find and close your writ of control which the court has been unable to issue for the following. A fee is payable of 66 to HMCTS. Part 2 of the whatever. So this was when it started. So I guess now I can chuck this out. Yeah? The court was unable to sign and seal your certificate of judgment because the date of judgment does not correspond with our record. So that is when the person cross out or whatever. What S. McNally? What I went through to get this through. Yeah? Miss Fariha Ayaz. Yeah, I'm looking at names because I'll be doing a research. Yeah, about the ethnicity. So see, as you said, the person whatever was so good to cross out to match whatever. So see, it was ripped. This is how they send it to me. Paste up like that. So I'm not chucking that one out either until I sort out which one I need to keep and which one needs to go. Yeah? Right. So let's go forward. So this one, unable to issue. Yeah? The same name. So I can chuck this out now because this is sorted. Right. So this is... So here it is. Registry Trust Limited. Here it is. I'm putting it on record. A. Davis. Nice Sheriff Department. So I'm making sure I hold on to this. Yeah? If anybody knows what I've been through these past years, just getting where I get no help, nothing. Some of them are so uncaring or unfriendly or whatever. It seems like some of them just take pleasure in returning and whatever. But I can say in there, I have people who try to help, putting sticky paper there, numbering it, and guiding me. And I have to be thankful. So this is the Bianca Porter. She's another. She told me Ryan Clement is a career criminal, but I think she is a career criminal. Yeah? And I think I have some correspondence that I wrote with her. Yeah? So this is, I am capturing this. I'm not throwing out this either. I'm keeping this. I'm keeping these till I resolve some issues with them. Yeah? Court enforcement services, maybe some people might be interested in these things, so I'm not getting rid of them yet. Court enforcement services. Yeah? She's a thief, a criminal, this woman. So, as a result of an order made on the 22nd November 2019, this claim has been transferred to the county court at Clerkenwell and Shoreditch. Yeah? So this judgment has been passed, and now it has gone again to the county court of Clerkenwell and Shoreditch. Yeah? So as you can see, court enforcement. Now they're telling me I'm to pay £90 to abort the case or whatever. After I have to go online to find this person with 15 companies registered down. So this is how they treat vulnerable people. People don't know what I've been through all these years. And that's why when I contact, I meet up again with that street meet person, and I said we need to talk, and he's going to tell me I need to if I want him to tell my story, I have to pay £250 per hour for him to tell my story. For what? I'll sit here and tell my story myself. I'm sure somebody will be interested in all these people involved with all this whatever is happening here. So I'll put this aside, and now that's it. I'm going to see if I can boil some milk and make some chocolate, and that will be what I'm eating. So at least some of the clutter is going out. I'm feeling lighter in myself.